Morning, y'all. Waking up here in Level Performance. Another day. I've run out of clean clothes, so the only shirt I have is some like collared beach style shirt. So that's what I'm gonna wear, and then hopefully we can get all the work done today and I can find a washing machine. Let's get it done so we can hit the road. Morning. Today we're in Mykonos, going to the beach. Just kidding. Going to work on the dang car. It was hot last night in here. It felt like a freaking tropical island. Yeah, we got to finish that. We got to finish fixing the rack. Hopefully we can find some sort of way to make that flag mount and reinforce the bumper. We've got to silicone the little seals on the bottom of the car. We've got to move some of the wiring up from the differential to better protect it, like zip tied up in a different area. There's some other wiring that's kind of hanging down low where the rub rail is on the side. We got to move that up. Ideally, we need to secure better the rub rail onto the pinch weld on the underside of the car with some little L bracket. And then if there's time, and then we also got to zip tie and strap all of these tubes and fenders and the wheel well liners front and back need a little bit of some zip tie action. And if we have time, I would like to do something better on the front for mounting and hooking things. I also want to do those little cross braces in here and down to better support the situation, and up on the top to change this little aerodynamic fin, flip it around and find some sort of, well, not mesh, but like a sheet of aluminum and paint it black going across the front. And we need to paint this black after we put the mesh grill on. So we've got a ton of work to do today. So maybe I'll put on an old dirty shirt and some mechanic clothes and help the guys yet again. But yeah, we've got a lot of things to do to be able to hit the road. And wow, you can see my hood is really dented. Anyway, let's get at it. All right, so we are back down checking on the car. Looks like he has cut all of these slots in to make it easier to slide in and out for some reason, I'm sure. But are you planning on putting these? This is here? Like this?
No?
No?
This space.
So all of these are getting bolted. What do y'all think about the rounded head on there? I think this would be the best. This is how to show. Like this, and then from here, just tap into this. And that way from the bottom you can remove it. I have to translate that. Okay, so we've just discussed, and he was thinking that having like a sleeved nut that goes all the way through and is welded is the best, which obviously is, but it's a lot of work. So what we're going to try to do is just put these little half washer nut things on here, tap a hole from the top that threads into this aluminum with like a little small screw like this down into there, and that will pretty much stay all the time, hopefully. That screw, its only purpose is just to kind of hold this nut in place from spinning around. And that way, when you go to service the car, all you have to do is boom, 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 pull these, loosen these, and then this plate slides out. And then if you want to do that, you pull that plate. So it just makes it a faster removal process. And if something shears off down here, or if the bolt head becomes like nicked or whatever where you can't pull it out, then you pull all the other ones. You cut that one that's messed up off completely just with angle grinder. You can come up here and unthread this and just spin that off, and you pull out the broken bolt or stud at that point, and then put this thing back on. So it makes it the most serviceable option. And then we still got to figure out what's going to happen over in this region, what's possible and whatnot. So the good news is, like, the majority of now, the big engine, everything is protected. So it makes me feel much better about driving through sticks and brush and all that kind of stuff. I mean, it looks killer. It looks great. The only thing that would be nice is if this front part was like also better protected, so if I hit a rock, it slides underneath. But hopefully, if I hit, like, it's gonna be really hard for a rock to get in there, but I really would like to have some support across here so that this section is protected from bigger obstacles. But more than likely, something that would hit here, it would stop or deflect it down, which is the idea. So we'll see what we have time to put across here. Well, thank you, kind sir. Security came. He came to say what's going on.
Yeah.
Alright, let's start this thing up. Today we don't have the gas that they had, a little goo to pour in here like last time. So we'll just leave this here for 10 minutes. Smells good already. Yeah. There we go. Alright, we'll be back in 5 minutes. 10 minutes. If the tank blows up, just try to keep recording, because cameraman never dies. So.
Okay.
Starting to heat up quite a bit. Oh look, they've brought out the, the fire extinguishers. They don't trust me. All right, now we're talking. And let's see how it looks. Ah, very warm already. Hey, nice thighs, bro. Get this on me. All right, while the steaks are heating up in the grill, we're gonna look at all the work that he's done up here. Look at that. So, he's put all of these pieces on, just like so. So that when you want to pull this plate, you just pop, 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 and then loosen these a little and it just slides off. And then this plate, I assume, you just pop all these off from the bottom. And this plate, yeah, all of these off from the bottom. So as you can see, it's not the thickest plate in the world by any standard. So it'll help protect it, but it's not for like serious rock crawling per se. But I think it's gonna help do its job. Especially this one. That's main job is to like be, boom, I hit a rock and it lets me know, okay, I need to go check out and assess what's gonna happen before the rock tumbles the whole way. But it's a warning and it keeps the car from getting damaged. Now obviously these are still susceptible to incident per se. But I assume and hopefully those are like the same parts that you would get on a Volkswagen of sorts. So yeah, that's where we're at. He's gonna bring the car down, weld my little things up in here, finish welding his little thing there, and I think we've got a couple things to touch and we'll be on the road. They have taken this car completely apart. Look at that. Doors off, got all the steaks salted, and the security team is filming, and throw them on the grill.
Ибрагим, пару слов можно?
Крупно отсними сразу 3х на мясо. Готов?
Nice. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, that looks good.
Кость, можешь мою куртку?
All right, try some meat. Давай.
Кушайте, кто хочет.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? Get all three of us. Ready? Раз, два, три. All right, so he's getting the car with the proper angle protection over here. He's, what's he doing? Facebook. He's supervising. He's supervisor. Okay, model, go into, do the stance, do the leg.
Okay.
Okay, all right, scan. Today we're doing a little tuning here at Level Performance. We're gonna do stage 1, 2, and 3. So stay tuned. The full video is coming out on actually Instagram. Отлично, отлично. Yeah, this is perfect.
Use your fingers.
I know.
Okay.
Look, it's generating some shit. It actually was showing up.
No, you see? 0.1.
Yeah, it's like one torque.
And after
Don't mind me. Just doing a little fitness here. Stage 1, 2, and 3 tuning. Those are sold separately.
Aww. Давайте. I think the better when it's on the face.
Yeah, okay. Guys, this is what's really in the AM oil container. They put olive oil. This is 0W, what was it? No, 5W40.
This is a special olive line.
Yeah, the olive line.
Можно.
Ready?
Снимаем? Да.
He thinks it's easy, so he's gonna try. Let's see. Oh yeah, all right. You have better grippy shoes.
Оно прям просто не идет.
Yeah. Okay. Cut. It really tastes like.
Go.
You still on?
Держи.
Yeah. So.
Есть? Держи.
Ready?
А он все снимает. It's so real. And a lot.
Yeah, I know. Put a lot in there. It's gonna ooze out.
It's so disgusting.
It looks so bad. Ready?
Okay, I'm coming.
Maybe just more paper towels, actually.
It's look good.
Okay, lead me to the kitchen, please.
You don't want to take the... Into the oil.
I think it's a bit late, so he's starting to go a bit crazy. Why you have a toolbox with oil and bananas inside of it?
My name is Connor, and today I put my face into the oil.
Why he's got his flashlight on? Как работает?
Отлично. Отлично.